Hello guys, in this video we'll be talking about the count function. So let's understand this with the help of an example. As you can see, we have a table here that shows number of students, the various students who have appeared for the examinations in semester 1, semester 2 and semester 3. Their total score is given and their pass criteria is also given here. Here, let us use the count function to count. The count function counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So let's hit tab and select this entire column here. Close bracket, hit enter. It gives me 15. So there are 15 exams that have taken place. This function will only count numbers. So if I delete one of the cells in between, see the count decreases to 14. And suppose one of the numbers is replaced by a text, maybe F, then also the count gets reduced. So the text is not counted as well. If I write it as a special character, that is also not counted. So only the numbers which are there will be counted here. See, if I bring a number back, the count is increasing to 15. This is how the count function works. If I'm trying to replace this, if I try to use the count function on this range here, close bracket, hit enter, the count is 0 because everything is a text here. Even though numbers are mentioned, however, those are not only numbers, they are attached with text. So that won't be counted by the count function. I hope this video was helpful to understand the count function. We'll catch you all in the next video with another function. Thanks for watching guys.